Oh, come on, get a pair. All you Takeuchi lovers, don't get all bent out of shape. It's just a little fun. Look at that, it just plucks it right out. Right out. Man, yep, definitely. It wasn't just me thinking of more power. Come on, peel it. Peel it. Let's go. Peel it. Race them. The race. Rock and roll, baby. Little tag team action here. All right, here's a midstream look on this new finger. Got this side bumped back, yeah, probably 15-ish feet. And I'm working my way down on the left side. I'm handling the bigger trees, and Curtis is up ahead there, peeling the autumn olives. Let's try a couple of hardwoods here. I'm not sure what they are. I'm guessing Curtis didn't want to give it a go with my brand new machine. It's just awkward. This thumb, very awkward, because you're going in the opposite direction. Curling this way with the bucket, so you normally when you close your hand, it's normal. That's how Bobcat has it set up. But here you gotta close one and open the other like this, opposite each other, which just it's just awkward. my Bobcat also from time to time. Scotty, we need more power. Alright, I'll clean this pump out here. And then we'll check back in. Looks like a locust. Oh, come on, man. Well, the more I'm using this, I could say I honestly feel like that E42 has more dig power. Even if they're equal, this is a 3,000 pound heavier machine. Although I don't know if this is a zero turn or not. I was talking to the shop guy at Bobcat the other day, and the guy that bought my E42 was just blown away by the digging power. And he had an E45, obviously a little bigger machine, but here's why I bought the E42. It's not a zero turn. Okay, it has a little bit of an overhang. Plus, I put the extra counterweight on it. And the shop guy even said that it's like I wouldn't be surprised if it's outdig an E50. And there again, that's why I bought the E42. It was the only one in that size range that was a conventional tail, which the longer tail gives you more digging power. And the track power on this is a little bit sore. I'm just stuck right here. Now I know it's a little slick, I'll give you that, but I can feel the difference. Alright, let's take out this other locust over here. We're going to skip these two, which is fine with me with my brand new machine. The upward dig force I like. That might be a bit stronger than my Bobcat. Boy, maybe I spoke too soon. Come on, peel it. Peel it! Let's go! Peel it! Alright, we'll try to pull it. No, I don't think that's going to work. Alright, we'll have to change our strategy here. Peel it from the side. Come on, man, go, go! Man, needs more track power, I'm gonna just say that for sure. So when you try peeling it this way, it don't work. If you could go this way, you rip them roots a little bit. Make sure you let it go before you pull it onto your cab. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, you're almost there. There it is, I got it loose. Got you. There we go. Not bad, only took 64 minutes. But hey, he's got it for a week. Alright, just being a smarty pants. All you Takeuchi lovers, don't get all bent out of shape. It's just a little fun. It's obviously tack makes a good machine. I think. I'll clean up the mess here, and I'll check back in. All right, here's Curtis up here. I'm going to give him the bad news. Time to switch back. Okay, back in my baby. Curtis agreed. I wanted to get his take, both of our takes on it. You know that we both like the Bobcat better. Now I got no idea how old you know, that tack is, but I mean, you know, and Bobcat is expensive, and they claim it's as comfortable as a machine as there is, and I guess I tend to agree. So I'm just going to, down here, he doesn't want this quite as wide. Just wide enough for the tractor, and he's going to just plant a clover lane up in here. So, oh, finally a normal thumb. Throttle, I'm about half throttle. right out. Man, yep, definitely. It wasn't just me thinking of more power. The race. Boom! Remember that 3.6 miles an hour? Oh, nice. I love it. Alright, I gave Curtis the news. I want to switch back. How do you like it?
I like the Bobcat better. I definitely like the Bobcat better. It seems to be smoother. The controls are faster. The hydros are faster.
Yeah, I mean, I thought so, but I wanted to hear from you because
I think the hydros are stronger too.
You've been using this tack for what, 4 days in a row now?
4 days. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think they probably got to turn down a little bit because when I go and put it in fast speed when I'm traveling, it's super slow. But
I was thinking about that though. I don't, for excavators, renting them, I wouldn't think they'd turn them down. So I don't know. It could be.
The comfort and the hydropower and the speed, the Bobcat's definitely got the edge on that one.
All right. Well, now I get to come back into the spring seat and all the comfort. Come back to the Cadillac.
I'll stick with the Pinto.
Check out the opening when you get there. You'll see.